Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This website is also available in light and dark mode. You will get the source code in the description. Try to build this project. Definitely you will be able to learn something from it. I hope you learn something from it. As I told you, it is also available in light and dark mode. You can see here. We have added box effect also, and I've used uh, flex and grid CSS in this. Now let's go through the website. Right now we are in the header section. You can see the hover effect on the navbar elements. Then you can see the moon icon for change of theme. That is, right now we are in the light mode. Then we can, by clicking on it, we can go back to the dark mode, and you can see the moon icon has been switched with sun icon. So whenever you click on this icon again, you will be moved back to the light mode, and you can see the image hover effect and the box effect around the portfolio image. You can see the button hover effects and box shadow effect and 360-degree rotation on the social media icons. Then you can see the uh, about me section. You can see the animation also. This is a smooth animation by swiper. Scroll reveal JavaScript library. You can see education hover effect and box shadow effect on the entire section. Then projects, travel website, movies website and portfolio website. You can see them by going through the demo section. You can see the buttons and the icons. Then the contact me form, then button hover effect. This entire website is available in the dark mode also, so you can go through like this. This is the dark mode. About section, education section, projects, then contact. Try to have as many features as possible in your responsive portfolio websites, because you'll get only few minutes of time by the recruiter to get for you to impress them. And this website is available in mobile version also. Let me show you that. See, this is the mobile version. Let me show you the animation, the education internship, that is the experience, then projects, contact. You can change the theme back to light mode by clicking on the sun icon on the navbar, and we have a responsive navbar here. You can see, then it automatically closes back. The functionality is added by using JavaScript. You can see the smooth transition, and this entire website source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe, and definitely try to visit the channel. It takes a lot of efforts to build them, and I'm gonna share you the entire full tutorial where I will explain you line by line code, the entire code, so that you can understand each and every section, HTML, CSS and JavaScript entire functionality. Please do subscribe to my channel to get that full tutorial. The source code is available in the description. Thank you so much. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. The entire website is made for professional use, for professional use only. You can use it for your resume. You can showcase your projects over there, and it will be a very good application for your recruiters for your first job that you're looking for. It is a very professional website, portfolio website, and you can make it. It's a very beginner friendly website. Right now we are in the home page. We can see home, skills, qualification, achievements, projects and contact me. You can see the hover effect on the navbar elements. You can see the theme change button. That is to change from light mode to dark mode. When you click on it, you can change it from light mode to dark mode. Gives a very good functionality to this professional portfolio website. And you can see we have added our image exactly at the center, and we have the information, the biography. Then we added our icons like in LinkedIn, GitHub, and Twitter. And we also have the skills section, and you can see whenever we hover on the skills section, the images will move. This is the hover effect that we have added. Then we have the education and experience section. You can see how neatly we have aligned them. Then we have the achievement section. You can see hover effect on them. The icons will rotate 360 degrees, as well as we'll get an border line. Then we have our projects, because we are using swiper.js JavaScript library. So we have this functionality that we have added. You can see, and you can see the demo button also. Whenever we hover onto it, the arrow will move forward. And you can see this is the contact me form. We have added the informations like our email, WhatsApp number, as well as Telegram. And you can see the border effect whenever we try to enter the data into the input elements. You can see border changes to darker color, that is focus element. Then we have the send button. You can see this is the footer. This is the arrow button to move back to the starting page. As I told you before, this website has light and dark mode. This is the dark mode of the website, and you can see how smooth transition is taking place. The animation is very smooth. How detailing I have done in this project. This is a very responsive portfolio website that you can use for your resume, for your first impression to your recruiters. It will give a very professional look to your resume also. The website is entirely responsive, that is, it is also available in mobile as well as in tab version. Let me show you the mobile version. You can see this is the mobile version of the website. You can see how perfectly they have all been aligned. And you can see that the menu bar I have added at the bottom. At the bottom, you can see I have added the menu bar here. You can see giving an app-like look to the menu bar elements. Just like we open in our mobile phone, right? It gives a very professional look to your website, and the recruiter will be very impressive how you have made it look like a very professional app. You can use your resume too, and you can change the theme here by changing the theme button, which is right beside it, beside the menu element. It gives a very professional look to your resume, and it will give you a very good impression. The entire website is made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is a very beginner-friendly project. You can make this. The source code is available in the description, and the full tutorial it will be also be available on the YouTube channel. Definitely try to visit the channel. There are a lot of websites that I've built, and each and every line of code is being explained. Full tutorials are added into the YouTube channel every day. So definitely try to visit the channel for more amazing content. Thank you so much.